Chapter 4, Canto 10, 10th Canto. Tvaya abhihitam akarnya Kamsa parama vismitaha Devakī Vasudevam cha Vimuchya prashito abravi. After hearing the words of goddess Durgā, Kamsa was struck with wonder. Thus he approached his sister Devaki and brother-in-law Vasudeva, released them immediately from their shackles, and very humbly spoke as follows. So this is tested. Jindagi mein there is a test. These situations actually show what character we are having. Kamsa showed his character. There was some difficulty and his life was in danger. He showed total character, selfishness, and they killed 6 children of Devaki. He even tried first to kill Devaki and then killed 6 children of Devaki. This is the character Kamsa showed. And the last 7th time he tried to kill the goddess Durgā, but she could not kill. This is the character he showed. And other place we have Vasudeva and Devaki. Kamsa approached them. Please forgive me. And they forgave him within 5 minutes. Look at the character. So life actually is nothing but different situations. And not only that, we think Krishna is not. Krishna is also noticing our character. We put an application form. Krishna, I want to come back to the spiritual world. Not only Krishna sees your sadhana, Krishna is also watching your character. Because Prabhupada says, extraneously we don't have to develop character, it will automatically come. But has it come or not, shows whether our sadhana is going on properly. Because then character like this, just imagine. Somebody killed your 6 children and he attempt to kill the 7th children. And he says, forgive me. And he said, okay, pardon. Not easy. Forgiving is not easy. It takes a lot of exercise. Just like every muscle is developed. The muscle to forgive also has to be developed. Correct? It's a muscle actually. Is that okay? Chalta hai. Done. So imagine such a great offense. What can be bigger offense than this? You're trying to kill somebody's 6 children, one after another. And you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Forgiven. Within a moment. That shows their very great character. Hare Krishna.